Good evening, everybody. This is Frankie here with a weather update for Pullman, Washington, and surrounding communities here around the Palouse. We do have a red flag warning in effect for tomorrow, considering we're going to have very low humidity and warm temperatures combined with gusty winds. Those are very critical fire weather conditions, may develop, and use of any fireworks or dragging chains or driving over dry grass, target shooting, yard work. You have to be very careful not to create a spark because that can ignite a fire. The least little spark. We're very dry around here. We're going to get some rain later in the week, and we're going to talk about that. But first, this red flag warning in effect for the Palouse and the Spokane area and the eastern Columbia Basin there, considering those dry and very arid conditions resulting in high fire danger. Now looking into Wednesday into Thursday, it looks like we have a lot of moisture on the way. This is Wednesday's forecast here around noon. You can see thunderstorms developing over the Palouse there, right over Pullman. If you know where you're at on the map, you can point it out. I do not have any tools at this time to circle anything. My tool thing is down right now. It's not activated. But back out west, you see across western Washington, there's a bunch of scattered storms and a big low pressure system that's going to come on shore, especially into Thursday. And that could give us some thunderstorms Wednesday into Thursday, as well as a decent shot at a half-inch or more of rain. Yes, definitely needed across the area. Speaking of that half-inch of rain, you can see right here across the eastern portion of Washington and North Idaho, rain amounts increasing dramatically as you go into North Idaho and to western Montana. But here across the Palouse, a quarter to a half inch at least expected. Maybe on the higher end of that half inch. So closer to that half inch mark on the Palouse here in Pullman. Looks like in Pullman here about 0.48 inches of rain expected. That is a nice beneficial amount of rain without any flooding to have to worry about. So we'll take what we can get on the Palouse here before the snow starts to fly. Next, this is the probability of a half inch more of rain in the 24-hour period, Wednesday night through Thursday night. You can see 69% here in Pullman, so we have a high chance, or a moderate to high chance, of seeing at least a half inch of rain or more. So there could be more than a half inch of rain. That's just depending on what model verifies and comes into fruition. So with that being said, we'll check out the 10-day forecast. Looks like some warmer conditions expected again on Monday. Not as hot, though. You can notice we're slowly declining here. The 10-day forecast for Pullman here. We'll see 85 on Monday. Tuesday, we dropped to 79 as these systems start to pull in. We're really getting into that pattern where it's very fall-like very quickly here. Only 63 for Wednesday there. Under cloudy skies, probably be some scattered showers and thunderstorms later during the day. Thursday, looks like some scattered showers and thunderstorms also possible. They have a 40% chance there. The icon for the thunderstorms is missing for Wednesday. I'm sorry about that. Not sure why it's not there. I'm not in control of that, so I'm not sure what's going on. But we pop right back up to 70 there on Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, we remain close to 70, and then we start to drop from there down to 67 by next Monday, and by early next week into the middle part of next week, we could be seeing highs only in the 50s with lows in the upper 30s in some of the outlying areas. So here it comes. Fall is definitely coming, and this is probably the last of the 80s we're going to see after Monday. It's not impossible to see 80s in October. In fact, it's happened recently, so it's not entirely out of the question, but any prolonged heat is pretty much going to be done by Monday evening. So that's the forecast. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.